Every time that I see your face, it always makes me smile.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's me again, your girl Cindy's Beauty Glam. Today with another look for a makeup tutorial. So I did mention I'm gonna be posting mostly not every day, but like every it's gonna be more videos posted out there. Since my schedule's being finally okay. So with that being further said, let's get started. I already applied my eyebrows and everything, and as you can see I have different lighting, different microphone as well, which is this baby right here. Let me see if it comes out. I have this beautiful microphone. Then we're gonna do the look that I'm gonna be doing is gonna be like a brownish and then kind of like a cut crease. As it is, I'm gonna go in with my NYX, so you already know, my primer, and I'm just gonna apply it in my eyes. And if you guys are wondering what I have, let me lower the camera. I have my shirt that I built like a few years back. I made it. So let's pull up our Jaclyn Hill palette, guys. Yes, finally you can pull it out, since it's, you know, about to be Thanksgiving and celebrate with your family members and all that. It's time to pull this baby out, girls. All right, the color that I'm gonna do as kind of like transition color, but it's not really because it's gonna be super dark. I'm gonna do this one right here. It looks a little bit lighter on the camera, but it's gonna be this one right here. And then it's gonna be over here, and then on the bottom I'm gonna go in with this one a little darker. So it's this and this one. In this case, I'm gonna get a large flat fluffy brush and try to pack a lot of the color. And if you have fallouts, just clap it a little bit, but Jaclyn here is very good, so you don't need that much. And this one, listen very closely, try not to put it all the way up, because if you do, then it's gonna mess up the look. Try to do it like in a small portion. So just as I'm gonna do, I want you guys to do the same thing, okay? So just kind of bring it down from right here and start tapping, and slowly you're gonna start bringing that up, but not all the way up. So you're gonna start tapping. Get some more. And to give it that fading effect, now you're gonna start bringing it up. At the same time tapping. You can blend if you want for a faster process, but for me, I'm just gonna do this. You see how it's giving it already that fading effect? And then you bring it right here. Right here you want to make it very pigmented. So you're just gonna keep going back and forth, just tapping motions, so it can get darker, like so. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna flip it on the other side, and we're gonna get that dark brown that I was talking about. And from here on, you're just gonna put it right here, to making sure it goes from burgundy to like a dark brown, almost black, but not too black. And the same thing on this one. We're slowly gonna be tapping first, and then once we're done with tapping and you get a lot of the excess from the eyeshadow, then slowly you're gonna start tapping out. Do not get any more eyeshadow from the excess of it. Just start bringing it up a little bit, not too much that is gonna cover the burgundy. And it gives it kind of like a burgundy to a sort of like a wine look, dark look, like so. You see how beautiful it is? It's very nice. I mean, it stands out a lot, but at the same time, it's not too, I mean, it's exaggerated as always, you know, we're talking about me. And from this point on, I'm gonna post a picture what I did yesterday. And then with right here, you can just use basically any cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna use still my Mickey Mouse palette, so you can just any type of eyeshadow that looks like this color, kind of like a creamy color that it's gonna give you. I'm gonna put it over here, slowly start bringing it down, so it can give it more of the fading effect. And you see how it's naturally just bringing it all together. And then from right here on, you can fix any, if you want to bring it more up, just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring a little bit more of that burgundy. My MAC concealer, and I'm gonna use a flat brush. Get very little bit of that one because it's super pigmented. And what we're gonna do here, on this one, we're gonna bring it all the way down to make a cut crease. Now I'm gonna use two different looks for my eyeshadows. So for this one, I'm gonna use the NYX primer pigment foil eyes 2. That's what is the name of it. 28 color eyeshadow. This one are foils. So this is, I have two. I have the I guess it's the first one, foil eyes. This ones, they look super pretty on you, and it's best to suggest to get this one so you can the pigment primer, so that way they can stand them out even more. So I'm gonna use this one right here, and I saw it and I was like, I'm gonna have to get it so that way I can show you guys. And on this one, I'm gonna go with to the fall. I'm gonna see this one right here. It's kind of like a golden brownish color, like so. Whoa, girl, that stands out a lot. And you see the bottom of how it gives that. Now you can go with another a flat fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna go with the Jaclyn Hill, and the second color that I did, which was this one right here. This one, sorry. I'm gonna go in and dip it a little bit and start bringing it up very slightly. I'm gonna use, I feel like I want to use a pink one, so I'm gonna use this second one right here from the BH Cosmetics, and this one's, the palette is Foil Eyes 2. Oh shoot, sorry. Well, you can see without the pigment how it comes out, but I'm gonna have to redo it because I completely forgot my pigment, so I can stick it, bring it out even more. But you can see it's good as it is right now. You see how much it picked up even more. The pigment primers are amazing to work with when you have foil eyeshadows or loose pigments. On the outer corner, I'm gonna actually use that same black, well, not black, but the dark brown. Just gonna kind of blend it through with it so it can erase the harsh lines. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeliner in jet black. And with this color, we're gonna apply it under right here. And start bringing it slowly, very carefully, so that way it can give you like a fading effect from dark to bright. The eyelashes that I'm gonna wear is gonna be this one's right here. Let me see if I can get it over here. So quick thing, this ones I got them off from the dollar store, and I purchased two and I stacked them up so it can look more full. So you can see they look more like, they look like $50 lashes, okay? Let me just do foundation right quick and contour, and then I'll be right back with you guys, okay? So you guys see how much it makes of a difference with green eyes. That looks so beautiful. So I have just one more suggestion of the hair. As it is, I love this hair. It makes me feel like so beautiful and so you can put on like this. Now if you want to show off a little bit more of the look, wear your cute beanie, and so I have another wig that I'm gonna try on for you guys. This one is from Silks Beauty, and this one I believe I got it for I'm not sure if it was $35 or 25, but they're very affordable and they feel like real human hair. Very easy to install. They even have the little hooks so you can hook them up from the back and two on the front, so there'll be no secure. I mean, it'll be secure for sure that they're not gonna flown away. So this is it with this look. Like so, and then I'm gonna put on another wig with my cute little beanie that you guys can see. It's blonde as well, and it's a beautiful long white hair, I mean blonde hair. So you'll see, guys. So this is my second look with my other straight. I just kind of like waved it a little bit, so it won't be like too straight, but you're more than welcome to string your wigs. So this is another look with the beanie because I know it's just getting colder, crazy cold out there. So this is another look for you guys that you guys can wear with a different hair and stuff like that. And if not, it also stands out with black hair, like straight black hair or kind of like curly hair and stuff like that. It stands out a lot because of the fact that, I mean, this eye color brings it out so dramatically, and the eyes, the contacts, it brings it everything. It just brings all together. So this is my two beautiful looks, guys, for you guys, and the two different eyeshadows, so you guys can see which one from both you guys will love to wear and stuff like that. Because Thanksgiving Thanksgiving is just next week, guys. So yes, I'm so excited to spend it with my family. And so now that I'm done, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I love you guys. I admire you guys. Thanks for everything, the beautiful comments, everything you guys have done for me. Thank you so much. And hopefully we'll see you to the next one. We'll see what look we'll create. I did mention I'm gonna wear some maybe orange and red, so I want to make sure I push those out before November is done, and then I don't get to to film on those looks. So hopefully you guys stick around with me, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for showing the love, for commenting. I love you so much. One more quick thing before I go. Yes, when I have time, I know a lot of the YouTubers that have been subscribing to make sure that if I'm doing checking them out. Yes, I do, but when I have extremely free time for me, then that's when I start catching up on all of you guys. So I do watch your videos. I do put a heart and thumbs up to your video, so don't think that I'm just like subscribing and not showing love. Yes, I definitely do. But other than that, guys, here's my fall look, and then we have our shirt going on right here, my beautiful shirt. So yes, guys, thank you guys for watching once again. Love you. Muchos besitos. See you guys till next time.